cinched in your back.
Fitting. We're making the brain Crunchwraps today.
What's that?
It's this.
Huh. Why do I feel like I recognize that?
Mm-hmm.
Well, those did look delicious. I can't wait to make them.
I know.
Wait, we're missing something.
The ingredients?
Yeah!
This way!
Okay, well now that we know the ingredients, we are ready to make it. Let's get started. In a large nonstick skillet over medium heat, combine ground beef and spices and season with salt and pepper. Cook, breaking up meat with a wooden spoon until no longer pink, about 6 minutes. Drain fat and wipe skillet clean.
Stack 4 large flour tortillas and place a tostada shell in the center. Using a paring knife, trace around edges of shell to cut 4 smaller flour tortillas round.
They should look like this. I recommend cutting it with scissors. I think it's a lot easier and it's definitely a lot safer. Build Crunchwraps. Add a scoop of ground beef to the center of remaining 4 large flour tortillas, leaving a generous border for folding. Drizzle cheese sauce over each, then place a tostada shell on top. Spread sour cream over each shell, then top with lettuce, tomato, and cheeses. Place smaller flour tortilla cutouts on top and tightly fold edges of large tortilla toward the center, creating pleats. Quickly invert Crunchwrap so plates are on the bottom and they stay together. This is how you do it. So you can pour some sour cream like this.
Just lightly.
Just very little.
Just like a strip of glue.
Yes, because this is just gonna help it glue to this top here when you fold it over, so you don't have to worry about it coming apart. Then you're just gonna fold it on top of these things that you cut out earlier. Just gonna fold it, creating here these little crimped edges, basically. Then you fold it over like this, and then quickly, once you finished that, you can either Lance already has the pan ready.
Oiled.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and flip this into here.
In the same skillet over medium heat, heat oil. Add Crunchwraps inside down and cook until tortilla is golden, 3 minutes per side. Repeat with the remaining Crunchwraps.
And now we're finished. Okay, so we have our Crunchwraps cut. We are about to try it. They look very good. Look inside. 3, 2, 1. And these are so good.
Like, awesome.
Please make sure to go try them at home and make sure to tag us on Instagram or Facebook at Sibling Sous Chefs. And yeah, we can't wait to hear from you. Please make sure to strike that like button, crunch that subscribe button, and